Capital One Investing Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. In this video, we'll dive into an honest review of Capital One Investing's robo-advisor service, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your investment needs. Capital One Investing offers a simple, low-cost robo-advisor that builds and manages a diversified portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. It's designed for new and beginner investors who want an automated solution without getting too deep into the weeds of individual stock picking or complex strategies. The service primarily focuses on offering ETFs, exchange-traded funds, to create a broad, diversified portfolio tailored to your financial objectives. Capital One's robo-advisor uses a smart algorithm to create a personalized portfolio based on a questionnaire you complete when you sign up. The tool asks about your time horizon, risk tolerance, and investment goals to determine the best asset allocation for you. Once you're set up, it automatically rebalances your portfolio as needed, ensuring your investment strategy stays on track without requiring manual intervention. This is ideal for anyone who wants to set it and forget it without worrying about day-to-day changes in the market. Another appealing aspect is the lack of management fees for accounts under $1,000, making it an attractive choice for small investors. For larger accounts, the fees are competitive, sitting at around 0.3%, which is in line with other robo-advisors. However, keep in mind that you'll still incur ETF expense ratios, which can vary but are typically low. One downside is that Capital One's robo-advisor doesn't offer tax loss harvesting, which some competitors include to help minimize taxes for higher earners. Additionally, the lack of investment choices beyond ETFs may be a deal breaker for more advanced investors seeking specific investments. While Capital One offers no human advisor support with their robo-advisor, the automated system is well suited for hands-off investors. The platform is intuitive, and integrating with your existing Capital One accounts makes the process smooth. Ultimately, Capital One Investing's robo-advisor is a solid choice for beginner investors looking for a low-cost, automated service with a user-friendly experience. However, if you're looking for more advanced features, such as tax optimization or a broader range of investment options, you might need to look elsewhere.